Doing your level best. Understanding effort in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, do one's level best. This expression is all about effort, determination, and doing the absolute best you can in a given situation. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together and see how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, do one's level best, means to try as hard as possible, to put in the maximum effort, and to do the very best one can in a situation. It's about committing fully to an endeavor, regardless of the outcome. This expression can be used in various contexts. Whether you're talking about completing a project, participating in a competition, or simply tackling life's daily challenges. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can often help us appreciate their meanings more deeply. The phrase, do one's level best, dates back to the 19th century and is believed to have originated from the world of gambling, where level implied fairness and honesty. Over time, it evolved to mean exerting the utmost effort in any activity, not just in games of chance. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. 1. In academics, I did my level best on the final exam. I studied for weeks and gave it my all. 2. In sports, our team may not have won, but we did our level best. Everyone played their heart out. 3. In personal endeavors, I'm doing my level best to learn English. I practice every day and try to improve. By using do one's level best in these contexts, you're expressing diligence, effort, and a positive attitude towards achieving your goals. Doing your level best is not just about the end result. It's about the journey and the growth you experience along the way. When you put forth your best effort, you develop discipline, resilience, and self-respect. It teaches you the value of hard work and the satisfaction of knowing you've done everything you could, regardless of the outcome. We hope this exploration of the phrase, do one's level best, has been enlightening and will inspire you to always give your best in everything you do. Remember, it's not always about winning or being perfect. It's about putting in your utmost effort and growing from the experience. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to do your level best in your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!